traders spend so much time looking at sentry signals, learning systems, etc., rather than looking at the psychology?
Not all traders do. So very different types of traders. So technical analysis seems to be very popular amongst retail traders because I guess it seems to, the offer of a system that you can just implement rather than having to learn to be a trader is quite attractive. Most of the research on technical analysis suggests the following, which is that technical analysis, following a technical analysis system for entering and exiting trades can give you a slightly better than market performance, but that the slightly better than market performance is generally less than transaction costs. Now, professional traders who I've talked to about technical analysis are often using it in a very particular kind of way. So some of them talk about saying, well, I don't rely slavishly on technical analysis, but if I know a lot of people out there in the market are using it, it's helpful because that helps me tell me what other people will be doing. A second thing that some have said is, I'm very interested in the ebb and flow of emotion in the markets, and I will use technical analysis as kind of a way into thinking about what's going on emotionally in the market. What I'm thinking about is much more than what's on those charts. And I think it's also possible that, in fact, there's some evidence it's the case that, that there are some very clever hedge funds out there, for example, engaged in high-frequency trading, who are pretty good at spotting imperfections in the markets and exploiting them with very clever pieces of software. And they're doing a kind of proprietary technical analysis. That there is some data in price history that they're exploiting, but if you've got this whole ecology out there of very well-resourced hedge funds and top traders using very expensive IT equipment to invent their own forms of technical analysis that actually continually evolve as the markets change, to try to squeeze the value out of any information there might be in the price history. There's a very interesting question: does that leave anything left for your average retail trader to exploit? Other people will give you a completely different story about technical analysis, but I can only give you my own views.